Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a super cute item that I found in Japan. I don't normally look at the greeting card section very much because people sadly don't give each other greeting cards anymore. But the summertime and the winter time in Japan is a great time to look at greeting cards because it's a really common time to send people these things. Christmas obviously is the big thing and New Year's is the big thing at Christmas time. But in the summertime, it's pretty popular to send these sort of like summer cards, and it goes along with the time when we send summer hagaki or postcards too. That kind of is a mirror to the time that we send them at the end of the year when we send nengajo. So these kinds of things are really popular. You can find these really elaborate, expensive cards that are almost like little tiny displays. At Christmas time, there's tons of them, of beautiful kind of, advent calendars even, and sometimes you'll even see some of that kind of same series for for Children's Day and the Hinamatsuri kind of display. This particular one is made by SANRIO, but there's nothing on here that's from a SANRIO character. It's just part of what they release for this time of year. There are ones that do have SANRIO characters, but this is a laser cut card that features little adorable goldfish, and I'm a huge fan of goldfish, so when it's summertime, this is one of my favorite motifs to have around the house. This is a card that's laser cut and you pop it out and display it. It's kind of expensive as greeting cards go, so you want to kind of keep that in mind. It's 500 yen. Some of them they'll get to be like 1,000 or 1,500 yen depending on what you get. So but this one, see, you have this cute little thing that's like the stand, but that's your card. So you can write your message on that. A very short message, right? Have a nice summer. Okay, we're done. And then this is the card itself. And it's just beautiful. It just folds right out and creates this 3 layers of display here for the fish. And you've got one fish here, one in the back, and then one in the very back. I should say middle in the back. And as you can tell, there's one that's more of a reddish gold color here and here, and then more of just a blue in the background. And it uses those 2 colors that are just really common images for the summer celebration in Japan. That beautiful blue and then the red of the goldfish. So, you can see, you can kind of give it a chance to sort of get itself stationed. But it'll stand up on its own. And, if you want to keep it in place, you can kind of put some double-sided tape on it or a little bit of glue, and it'll stay up nice for you. And it's beautiful. It's just so delicately etched and cut out. I mean, the work on that is really pretty. So you certainly wouldn't want to let any little tiny baby kid hands touch that because they'd probably rip it to shreds in 2 seconds. But it is so pretty. And I just had to buy it for myself because I'm like, I have to have this card. It's so pretty. So I'm going to have it on my display in my house here. But I wanted you guys to see it because it's just really beautiful. So if you know you're going to be here in the summer months or any other time of year where we might have some of these cards, they're a really, really fun way to sort of get a decorative element for your house. Which you wouldn't think, why would you buy a greeting card for that? But actually it can become a really beautiful decoration for your house during the holidays. So look for those if you're visiting, and I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!